Good day to you guys. I want to welcome you to my channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my videos anytime I drop them. For returning viewers, I want to say thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to get YouTube video idea for free. How to generate hundreds of YouTube video idea. Most of us, we have YouTube channel, we don't know the kind of video to create. Today I'm going to solve it for you guys. All you just have to know is that you must know your niche very well before you venture into it. So without wasting much of our time, I'll be showing you 2 to 3 ways how we can generate video content idea. You understand? How to generate them with powerful tools that we even know that we have it at our power. You understand? So now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into action. The first platform I will be showing us, the first tools we'll be making use is called Graffiti Write. Yes, most of my videos I do mention this website a lot. There's many things we can do with these websites. Very easy to use. You understand? Very easy to use and straightforward. So I'll be logging in now. As you can see, this is a platform. Although is a paid platform, but once you sign up, you get some free things to do. And I've already shown you how you can continue using it for free. You understand? So now, the first thing we need to do now is, for those of us that we already know the niche we are into but want to get the video. Now you can see the search menu at the top. The first thing, just click on niche generate. You search for niche idea generator. As you can see, I haven't typed it finish before it brought the idea. So I'll click on this. So I haven't done that. Now my niche idea, what are the niche idea? Actually, let's go for health, or fitness. Let me click on fitness. Let me search fitness. So it's going to bring out a lot of ideas or niche we can venture into it. Can you see it? Niche idea, fitness. You understand? Fitness for busybody professional, outdoor fitness adventure. So it means if you have an ideas on fitness but you don't know the exact one you want to go for, you can come here, you search for niche idea generators. Then you can see we have different ideas for niche. But for me, I'll still stand on my fitness. I'll be using fitness. Now let's say this one, body weight training for travelers. So let's say body weight training. This is what specific niche I want to go into, body weight training. So I'll just copy it out. So it's for those that doesn't know what they want to go into in their niche. You can niche down whatever you want to niche down. Just write it. Just type in the niche idea generator. You search for it and you get different niche ideas. You understand? So I haven't selected the one you want. You will now go to this our content creator as well. This is our graffitiwrite.com. We'll still go there. I will now go to YouTube content planner. Just come here. I've copied this. Very straightforward. I've copied this. On your own idea, you can select whatever you want to select. You understand? So we have various of one. So which means I want to go in depth on bodyweight training. So now for me, I will just go for YouTube content planner. YouTube. Think this. If you don't see it here, come this panel at the right side. You understand? You see it? YouTube idea and content. You see? So it's either you will select it from here or we search for it here. So whichever way, they are the same. So let me go for this. So I've clicked on it. Can you see it? So now I will now paste whatever I copied. You see, what is the specific niche you want to create YouTube video for? Just put in the niche you want. And as for me, the niche I copied, I'll paste it here, which is body weight training. So that means specifically I want to be writing on body weight training. So now I'll click on it, create content. You understand? So it's going to, it's going to write out different video ideas for us. It's going to write it out. Whenever you see this thing, it means still writing. Can you see it? So from this now, it shows that I have different ideas, okay, that I can get now. You see it? So beginner's guide to body weight training. This topic I can write on it. You understand? Full body weight training workout. You understand? I can write for you. So that's the first method. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a trick how you can generate your YouTube scripts if you don't have. You understand? So now, body weight. You see, fat burning it with body weight exercise. You see that our body weight keyword is still there, which means if I want to write video now, I want to make videos on this body weight training. So I already have like 10 contents that I can use, I can write on them. You understand? So that is that. The second tools we'll be making use is YouTube. You'll be wondering how YouTube. Just go with me, follow my procedure. So now what we'll be doing is just YouTube auto completion. Yes, just like when we type on Google and Google will suggest different content for us. Same way, I'll just type it here. This is my the same, what's it called, this thing that I copy. Can you see it? So this is my content, my niche. I typed in my niche and you can see different ideas here. Can you see it? Let's say I click on this body weight training at home. If I should click on it, I'll see different type that I can dwell on. You see it? I'll see different titles. You see ways. I'll see different titles that will just redigest and start my own video. You understand? So that's another way. That's the second way. Auto completion. You see it? I just paste in my YouTube niche and it's going to, you see it, body weight training at home. You see there are lots we can work with. So that's another way to generate video idea for YouTube. You understand? And the third one I'll be showing to us is called vidIQ. It's not compulsory we log in with what I wanted to show us. Let me just go through Google vidIQ. Let me go through Google. You understand? So if normally it's vidIQ.com. It's because I have, let me just make use of this vidIQ. So now I will just I click on the first one. So the first thing we'll do on the vidIQ is we'll make use of the what's it called, the AI tools. You see, from this AI tools, I click on it and they drop that. You see videos, YouTube video ideas. You see it? So from that my niche that I copied, which is body weight training, I can just paste it here. You can see, let's read what's being written here. Tell us what your channel is about. So I'll just tell them my channel is about body weight training. Then I'll click on generate. So once I click on generate, it's going to give me, can you see it? It's going to give me video ideas. If I still want to regenerate, I can click on regenerate and it's still going to generate another for me. Just like these graffiti, right? You know, this body weight training that I mentioned the other time, that I will search for it. If I still want another one, I will still click on create content. You understand? It will still regenerate another ideas for me. It will still regenerate it for me. You understand? So I can do that as many as I want, as many times as I want. Let it write. It might be the network. It's going to write them out. So that is how to generate videos ideas for our YouTube channels. You know, if you are finding it difficult to get YouTube videos, if you are finding it difficult to, let me refresh this page, the network. If you are finding it difficult to create videos, you understand? So just you go with this app. You can, with this app of this platform, you can get different type of, you see it. So it's going to write, you see it, it's going to write out. Just make sure you have a good network. You see it, it's going to write different for us. It's still writing. Whenever this stop writing is still showing, it shows it's still writing. Can you see it? So as many as we want, you understand? So that is that. And if you still want another one, just the way we did it, click on create content again. So it's still going to regenerate another content for us. Can you see them? Can you see them? So it's still going to write them out for us, and from there we even have you see it, we have the outlines for us that we can follow. You see, this is another page. You see, we have a lot. You see them, they are still writing out, so that is how to generate videos ideas for our YouTube channel, so all for free without stressing ourselves, you understand? So if you are still watching this YouTube to this point, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon, because he's still writing, so that you don't miss valuable videos like this anytime I drop them. So thank you so much. Thank you. See you in my next video.